welcome back to Neon Panda Kids. Today we went to Lion Express, so we are going to show you what we got. First, I got a wacky track. You can like bend them and twist them and click them. Your turn.
Then I also got a wacky track too.
Now I got a dinosaur poppet because I think dinosaurs are awesome. It's so cool. Amazing.
I got a pineapple puppet because it is going to get to summer. And I like pineapples.
Yeah, so, and I got this little,
cat.
Like emoji cat. Let me open it so I can show you all. Okay, there we go. Emoji cat. So cute.
I want kind of to buy one.
Yeah.
Okay, and I also buy one. Wait, how do you open this?
What is it?
I opened it.
Oh,
Wait. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a kitten.
and then,
I think.
last but not least, I got a dragon hatching. It's like 3 days in like water, and it grows like 3 times this size. So that's gonna be
I know
interesting.
this isn't probably fidgets, but my room theme is supposed to be like drawing and stuff.
Yeah.
So I bought this gummy bear.
Yeah.
Thing. I want to check it out.
So, thanks for watching. Please like and
Wait,
subscribe.
I'm
No, wait.
Bye.